Nasira. My love. Destroyed. The old one.
Oh my.
Where's the new one?
Huh?
The new one. Where is it?
I don't know. I think over there, baby. You want me to get?
Yes, please.
Hey guys.
Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my love.
You're welcome. Oh.
Yes. No more.
No more?
Yeah.
Well, we.
Next year again.
About the eggs.
Oh, you can remove. Huh? Later.
Hmm.
Hello, my love.
Hello.
Yan yung dalawang chicks namin na alaga na huling inalagaan, guys. Yung isa malaki, yung isa maliit. Yan. Ibang chicken ang kanilang ewan anong chicken yan sila. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Nilagay namin dito sa garden para maka-experience sila. Ang bait. Ayan siya, guys. Come on. I want to hold you. Ayan. Ang cute nila, guys. Body-body silang dalawa. Tingnan nyo, guys, yung alugbati ko na tinanim. Tingnan nyo. Oh, ang ganda pa din. Ang ganda pa din, guys, oh. Ayun pa, oh. tumubo siya ng maganda. Tagal ko hindi nakapag-fry ulit. Yan. Ang ganda ng tubo. Ito yung alugbati dito, guys. Malalapad ang dahon. Ang gaganda, oh. Yung dahon na magulang ay binibigay ko sa manok at gusto nila, guys. Kaya yung aming tanim dito hindi nasasayang kasi binibigay sa manok. Yan pa rin yung aming purple cabbage, guys. Yung bagong tubo, yan. Ang dami. Yan pa, oh. Sunod-sunod pa yung bunga ng purple cabbage. Ayan pa. Ang dami pa din, guys. Ito pa din. Ayan, tinanggal tapos tutubo ulit. Ayan. Ayan yung bagong tubo na tinanggal yung una. Tapos yan, tutubo sila ulit. Ang dami pa din, guys. Hello, guys. Yan. Harvest na kami ng purple cabbage.
Not very big one.
Yeah.
But it will work.
Matagal siya masira pagka purple. Ayan. Okay. And then the next is here. Tinanggal na ni Kano. Ayan.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, my love. And then yan yung pangatlo. How many left, my love?
3 more.
3.
4, 5,
6. 6 pa, guys. 6 pala lahat. So, pang-4 na yan.
Oh, and a little bitty one.
Where?
Right there.
Okay.
Oh, and those over there. The green ones. We will see if there's any on there.
Ayan. Pang-4. So, Yan yung pang-5. Ayan. Maybe that's enough, my love.
Okay.
And then
A baby.
6.
This near is just a small one.
Mm.
But it's not going to have any chance to get any bigger. But it will be a good bite.
It's so cute.
This one here, there's going to be one.
Ito guys, yung pangalawang tubo ng cabbage. Oh, so cute siya. Ito yung pang 6. Ayan. Kasi pag nag-harvest ka ng first, may kasunod na pangalawang tubo. Kaya ito yung pangalawang tubo niya guys. Pag nag-harvest si Kano, hindi namin tinatanggal yung puno kasi tutubo siya ulit. Yan. Pagka cabbage lang siya. Broccoli, hindi na. Pag once na tinanggal at saka yung cauliflower, hindi na siya tutubo. Yan. Ang ganda siya guys.
Almost waited too long.
Ayan. You still have? Oh, wow. Ito yung pang-anim, guys. Sayang. Hindi na siya tutubo ulit. Kasi malamig na. Mamamatay na itong cabbage.
This one might have a creepy crawler in it.
Organic?
Huh? Might have a creepy crawler in it.
Our cabbage here is organic. Our plants here is organic. No chemicals, right?
No chemicals.
It's a natural. Yan guys. Pang 7.